and Pulaski, and Ballard, Kentucky. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Union County, Illinois, northeastern Cape Girardeau County, Missouri, until 5 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Jackson, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. At 4:15 p.m., law enforcement reported fall debris west of Jackson, Missouri. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Trail of Tears State Park around 4:20 p.m. Where around 4:25 p.m. Anna, Jonesboro, and Cobden around 4:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Alto Pass. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 102 and 108. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Union, Illinois, and Cape Girardeau, Missouri.